bum, bottom feeder, the great sneeze. Bro, you got to be the biggest slime ball I've ever seen or heard. First, you lie about why you need the money, talking about your account will go overdrawn. That's why you need money. Well, slime ball, you always say you got money, right? You're a millionaire, spent more money than the government. I never heard somebody compare themselves to the government spending money, because ain't nobody dumb enough to say that, because everybody in the mama knows you can't even, even Bill Gates and all those people never say that, because it's impossible. Impossible.
Ouch. Dang it. Slice my finger.
And
Dang it. Freaking thing.
And you say, now mind you saying it as we hear your feet pounding that pavement, walking hard, talking about you got more money this, money that. Oh, I got this, I got money, I got this, brokerage this, bro. Another thing, Jesus Christ, man. You think because you keep saying this brokerage this and I'm investing this, buying, you literally want to say, I got 250 some positions. Hey, dum-dum. Penny stocks, you could pay a quarter and have 25 spots. Do you understand penny stocks? I really don't think you do. Because if you did, you wouldn't be bragging about having 253 spots. Bro, $1 gets you 100 spots. $1, bro, $1. And they are like worthless. Worthless. Get it to your nasty nose picking brain. You are so dumb. You are literally the dumbest dude on the planet. And second, you know what? That dream, dude, bro, you are so dumb and stupid, giving this turd any money. You see what happened? He's a low life bottom feeder.
No.
And you helped that maggot, and the first thing he did is went against you and said, you didn't give me nothing. You didn't give me enough. Give me more. So, first, bottom feeder, you lie about the reason why you need the money from the get. I mean, I don't know how people didn't pick this up, man. This dude is power walking everywhere. Everywhere. Do you really think keeping his account afloat was more important to him than smoking those cigarettes and getting a room? Come on, people. You cannot tell me you that naive. And second, what account or what person would say, I'll take $5, $10, $15. What person would ask for that and say, "Oh, I'm gonna put it in my in the bank if I won't get an overdraft"? This dude was fiending for cigarettes and wanting a room. That's all it was. All it is. He is a straight up 1,000% hater. This dude, I mean, yeah, like Dream. I'm sorry, bro. You're gonna be the butt of it because you're the stupid one that gave this idiot giblet head snaggletooth dude that is a freaking evil little troll. Evil little troll. He's that person that literally, he talks trash about stuff. See, if y'all really remember when that chick said she had like $1,500 in the bank or something, her IRA, and what did this little bottom feeder maggot say to her? That ain't nothing. IRA stupid. It's for old people. You old, blah, blah, blah. Go get some real money. So, I don't need to echo. So, what do he say he got now? And acting like it's the king of the crop now? A freaking IRA. Oh, it is the best thing now. The best thing now. And this maggot will say, I got $100 something in the bank right now. I got money for this, money for investing, this and that. Well, bottom feeder, go get your money. Why are you begging for? You remind us every day that you got more money than us. We are beneath you. We would never amount to anything like him because he's a angel. And by the way, his butt need to be committed because I tell you straight up, bro, your head is there. You might have a head on your shoulders, man. That brain has been lost for a while now. You be saying some off the wall, weird crap, man. I mean, literally, I heard you not once but twice, probably 1,000 times heard you say, it is the government, the FBI, CIA are watching you, and you was like, I don't know why they haven't got up their butt to come take control of this, of people messing with you. Oh, stalking you. And what makes it funny to me is you the biggest stalker of them all. Bro, look, man. I really believe now, Ashley probably wish she never hustled you. Because you are a nightmare, bro. You are a nightmare. You are a nightmare of nightmares for women. You a stalker that don't believe that you do anything wrong, and you believe in your heart that everybody's wrong, you're right. Now how I know that is because you're the only person I have ever seen or heard meant to doing nothing wrong. Bro, you are like, you're that person that just be like, yeah, I forgot. You and your buddy Jason. And that's how I know, bro. This is another thing that you need to be put in the crazy house. Bro, you are making up all these names. And now you are starting to believe that these people are real. Know how I know? It's because, bro, You're talking to him like the third person. My team. Soon as I talk to my team, I'm gonna take care of this or take care of that with my team. Bro, you and everybody named Mama know. Well, I hope they know. You have literally made up a whole colony of friends in your brain of yours. I mean, you got first you got Cinderella. She's your boo. And she donates ridiculously for you, but she's nowhere to be found now. And she haven't donated yet to you. But you talked to Jason, and you literally said, and I quote, I got to talk to Jason and we got to figure out what we're going to do. Bro, you know the answer to that already. You know you and Jason be chopping it up in your brain. Then you got Country Boy. Country Boy. Those are your main characters right there. Country Boy, Jason, Cinderella. Who else you bring up? I think those are the three main ones. I mean, bro, you are straight loco. I mean, and then you be like believing this crap. Like you said, you are the angel of death, I think it was. Huh? What?
Angel of truth.
No, they said angel of truth or death, whatever. Hell, they both the same. You. Bro, I mean, stop interrupting me, please. Bro, you are, I mean, you know you got hustled by the Ashley chick. I mean, if you don't know that by now, you deserve it. And another thing, bro, please stop saying you got an airborne pathogen that the government gave to you. Bro, why do you think the government would care about you? You don't do no radio shows. You literally think, because you come on YouTube and say some real dumb things and say, that's a radio show. That's a radio show. And you think the government is watching you and saying, we got to shut this Tyree guy down. He is infiltrating the whole system. He's infiltrating the whole system. Bro, if you think begging for donations is getting the government's attention and they gonna come at you, and I quote, and you said it yourself, which I don't understand that neither, that they gave you an airborne pathogen that can't be seen but by you. But by you. You're the only one knows about it. And I forgot this. I think you said you had over 10, 15 assassination attempts on your life. And you are the biggest, and I quote, the biggest pussy on the planet. You run from every situation possible. You ran to San Antonio because you knew a dude was trying to fight you. And then when you run, you hurry up and say, pull up, pull up. As we all hear you hitting that pavement with those ugly looking shoes of yours, hitting that pavement hard, man, like literally like, I'm getting out of here. But then you're going to say, ain't nobody pulling up on you. Bro, cut it out. You are such a scared pussy maggot that you literally had to make up friends. You know how pathetic that you have to be? I mean, you know how pathetic that is, bro? Step back and think. toddlers and little kids, 3, 4 year olds have the imaginary friends. You don't have imaginary friends at almost 40. That's called a nut house. That's called having split personalities now. You know that, right, bro? As a kid, it's cute. As an adult, it's called having a split personalities, and you go get your medicine, your Ritalin, or whatever those crazies get. See how that worked, dum-dum? And bro, you have been told this so many times. It's like getting to a point you just be like, wow. You shouldn't have to tell a grown person more than one time to stop. And I quote, stop digging up your nose, bro. It is disgusting. You literally dig up your nose and then just wipe it on your face, wipe it on your face, your other hand, your food. Me and my wife literally seen you lick your fingers after you digged up your nose and started eating. Bro, do you know how disgusting that is, man? You're a grown man digging up his nose in a restaurant. In a restaurant, bro. I have never seen something so disgusting until I seen you going knuckle deep in your nose. And then you try to say, once again, the government said your accident has caused you to have to dig up your nose because it will kill you if you don't dig up your nose. Oh yeah, people. It's the God's honest truth. The dude said, and I quote, 2 things. 1, I dig up my nose because my accident caused by the government makes me have to dig up my nose without no tissue or anything. This skin deep knuckles digging up his nose and saying the government caused him to have to do that because he said it helps his life. And then you say, my tooth, I had to make my teeth look like snaggle teeth because it almost killed me. The piece would have killed me if I didn't break it off. Oh yes, people, the man says, and I quote, the government made me dig up my nose without paper, without no napkins and nothing, in public, and dig up my nose because the government made me do it. Now, you think that that's cute, that you are digging up your nose in a restaurant. In a restaurant, got people sitting around you, and you sitting there just digging up your nasty, disgusting nose. You know how disgusting you are. You're already a maggot. You smell like a mule. Bro, and that's another thing. I don't care what you say, how you say it. It is no goddamn reason why you should be wearing a freaking suit, clothes, for 5-6 days straight. Bro, you wore that suit so many times that And mind you, you wore that suit after it was pouring down raining that day. Pouring down raining. So that suit was wet. And I don't know about you, I hate putting on wet clothes. But what did I see? You wearing that hoodie again. I mean, wow. Wow. You are the biggest Looney Tune I have ever seen, bro. And then you got a daughter and you got a child and you don't even want to take care of it? But you would chase Ashley around, chase her down to the end of the earth, but you won't spend 10 minutes chasing after your daughter to have a life for her. Yeah, you got your priorities right. Yeah, that priority is all about you and only you. Because I never hear you say, people, can you help me out? I got to help my daughter get some shoes, or says she want to sign up for dance. But like always, it's all about you, maggot, and how much of a pussy you are. You are just a lowlife. You're a lowlife coward, bro. A lowlife coward that thinks about himself, nothing but himself, only himself. Bro, you deserve to die. You deserve to just die a miserable death. Because I have never seen or heard anybody like you in my life. You literally pick fights. Oh, no, not pick fights. No. You're sissified, pussyfied. Will run your mouth, but nobody will hear you. And then you would say, and it's like clear as day. Look at you. I'm gonna smack that drink out of your mouth. This person is probably around the corner by this time, and you would say it and then say, he heard me. But your punk butt ran to a whole nother city because you were scared of that dude Tone Space. And you know what that tells me? That tells me that nobody likes you. Nobody, bro. I believe that 110% because, bro, you are a scumbag. I don't even know why you even thought that anybody would donate to you. That's why I'm shocked by Dream helping you. Dream, are you an idiot wrapped in a moron? This dude is nothing but a scumbag of scumbags, a scumbag bottom feeder that is racist. And that's another thing, bro. I don't know why you think it's all cute and everything to be using those in this, in that, bro. I swear, I want to break your face. I'm gonna break your face, bro. I'm gonna break you in half. But I see now that I'm going to have to just catch you, because if I say this or say that to you, all thing you're going to do to me is make sure you ain't nowhere near that place. And then you'll say, oh, sucker, you wasn't there. You said you was going to pull up. And you know, god dang well, that your butt was going to make sure you on the other side of town. You knew that. And you know what, bro? You don't like, what do you even do to make people even feel somewhat sorry for your sorry self? What do you do? Nothing. You do nothing, and that's why you ain't making nothing. And you talking about karma? Look around you. Look around you. You have no friends, no family, nobody in your life that remotely liked you. It is sad that when a mom don't want nothing to do with her son. Do you know how pathetic that is? That her own son don't want nothing to do with her child. You know how crazy that is, bro? Do you understand how pathetic and worthless of a maggot you would have to be for a mother to just don't want nothing to do with you? I mean, don't want nothing to do with you. Dumb. Think about it, idiot. Your sorry, excuse family literally don't want nothing to do with you. And you know why. Because you are a pussy. A pussy no more. A pussy no more. You are, will always be that pussy we need. That pussy we want to flash your face in. Because I tell you what, bro. You will be one miserable little rat. So where you go sleep? What bridge you sleeping at today? Huh? Because you know you ain't getting no donations. You know you ain't getting no donations. You know there ain't nobody gonna help you. Oh, this is a good one too. Oh, I'm charging, what, $25 you said for a wrench? I think that's what you said, $25 to listen to you? To listen to you to keep saying, I'm at 233 positions. Come on, people. Help me get to this position. And you'll say, come on, people, you stupid whore sluts. You lying pieces of dirt bags. But, hey, don't y'all want to see me grow? Don't y'all want to see me be happy and do well for myself? Oh, you sluts. Y'all don't want nothing to do with me? Fine. Y'all not, you worthless whores. Y'all watching a millionaire. I got more money than y'all, all y'all suckers. Ooh, I win. I got more money than you. I spent more money than the government. I'm a trillionaire. As I'm sitting on the floor in the bathroom begging for $5 funky donations. And oh, I forgot you got your hog outside sitting on 20s. You know that big time hog you got out there? You know, that bike that you say what cost like $3 million? Oh man. Oh, that you literally went online and literally put it on your phone to show people like you went and bought that bike at that price. You said it yourself, dum dum. You paid $10 and a sandwich for that bike. So stupider. How would you ever sell that bike if you wanted to sell it? Because, correct me if I'm wrong, you tell people how much you really pay for it. So you can go and be like, I want $40 for it, man. That person would say, $40? $50? Didn't you say you paid $10 and a sandwich for it? See how dumb you sound? So, little word of advice. Go back to sucking penis for money. Finish your family legacy. You know, with your faggot father. A little pussy of a father. Talking about ain't nobody gonna disrespect you. Man, bro, after I slap you like a little bee you are, you better be lucky I don't piss on you. Ain't nobody gonna disrespect you. Bro, that's the only thing we know how to do is disrespect you. You and your pussy father. Boy, oh boy. You talking about the apple don't far from the tree. Jesus, man. You are nothing but your pussy like your daddy. You know that song about Lil Wayne, stunning like my daddy? Hey, you can say you stunning like your daddy, sucking dick for money. See? You can keep your family legacy going. Sucking penises, man. You know, you gotta go back there and blow them. You know another thing. You talk about that dude Walford. Now, don't get me wrong, bro. He is a bum just like you. Y'all are two dudes that I wish could turn into women because y'all make men look like garbage. Both of y'all. You know why? Because you are nothing but a maggot just like he is. Y'all make us look so bad, bro. It ain't even funny. You don't have no women. None. And the Wolford dude got his woman doing what Wolford doing. So y'all got a happy little lazy group going. But the difference between everybody else and you bottom feeder is you act like you better than people as you begging. So let's just get it out there. Begging. You are doing nothing but begging. That's all you are. Is a bottom feeder beggar. You don't know how to ever be a man whatsoever, bro. you only talk women, and then to top it off, you freaking scared to put those hands up and fight. I mean, bro, you are just you are let's see, you are the proud father of pussies. If y'all had a group, you would be like the ringleader of the pussies. You know the pussycat dolls? It would be called the pussy YouTube dolls. And bro, your little snaggle tooth in the front with a white beater will be perfect for it. Perfect for it. Jesus, you would be a great pussy doll. But I'm gonna leave you on this, bro. You are a worthless human being, bro. You don't deserve nothing. And you always talking about karma, right? Karma this, karma that. Well, whoop-de-doo. You got some crappy karma now, don't you? Don't you? You got the greatest karma coming right now, bro. Congratulations. That you are a piece of dirt, bro. Piece of dirt. How's somebody gonna help you and you crap in their face? You ain't gonna never be nothing but a loser and a bottom feeder. All you'll ever be. That's gonna be a beautiful thing. Watching you fall. It's a beautiful thing, bro. You are literally losing it because nobody likes you. Everybody hates your guts. Everybody wish you just hang yourself and have a miserable day. A miserable death, bro. It's real talk. You ever say, hey, real talk, bro. Go. Just do it, bro. Stop pussyfooting around. Wow. You will always be a loser, bro. Always. Losers don't win. They don't say win losers. They say losers. That's what you are, bro. You're a loser. You deserve to die. How you treating people? Pussy.